2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE, the future of luxury coupes. The luxury coupe isn't dead. It's evolving, and Mercedes-Benz just proved it with the 2026 CLE. Sleek, powerful, intelligent. A car designed not just to turn heads, but to redefine what modern luxury feels like. Welcome to Car Lover USA. Hit like and subscribe, because this one is pure elegance on wheels. In a world where SUVs dominate the streets, Mercedes has done something bold. They built a coupe that blends beauty with performance, technology with emotion, comfort with pure driving pleasure. The all-new 2026 CLE isn't just a car. It's a statement. Exterior design. The CLE is sculpted like a piece of moving art. You get a long, low hood, a sleek coupe roofline, a diamond pattern LED headlights, AMG-inspired grille options, a smooth, flowing body lines, aerodynamic rear with slim LED taillights. Every angle feels intentional. It's athletic but elegant. A coupe built for people who still appreciate real design, performance and engine options. Mercedes offers the CLE with a lineup of smart, electrified powertrains designed for both comfort and thrill. Expected power options. A turbocharged 2.0L mild hybrid, a more powerful 3.0L inline-six mild hybrid, a 48-volt electric boost for instant torque, a smooth 9-speed automatic, a rear-wheel drive or 4MATIC AWD, air performance highlights, a quick acceleration, a quiet, refined cruising, a sharper cornering thanks to new suspension tuning, a lower emissions without sacrificing power, smooth, responsive, luxurious, a coupe engineered to feel alive. Interior and technology. Step inside, and the CLE becomes something even more spectacular. It offers a 12.3-inch digital driver display, a 11.9-inch vertical MBUX touchscreen, ambient light strips wrapping the cabin, a high-quality leather and trim, a heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, a Burmester 3D surround sound system, a wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, a panoramic sunroof. Every button, every screen, every stitch, all designed to make you feel like you're sitting in a masterpiece. Safety and driver tech. The 2026 CLE brings Mercedes' latest safety suite, a adaptive cruise with stop and go, a lane centering, a blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera, automatic parking, a pre-collision braking. Luxury, backed by intelligence. Price and market position. Expect pricing to start around $55,000 to $68,000, depending on options and performance packages. It sits perfectly between the C-Class and E-Class coupes, but feels more premium than both. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE the return of the true luxury coupe? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Car Lover USA for more 2026 luxury cars, concept reveals, and future tech.